Welcome back to another episode of Racecar and Chill. It's late in the night, been grinding on the house all day long, but wanted to make a quick update. We're fixing the wiring that I fucking did a hack job of last week to get the car to the meets. I'm here with my buddy Cody Stedman. He's got this badass SC that we're gonna do a walk around of eventually. But shout out to Devin Turner, who saw my last video. He actually works at a semi-truck dealership and ended up having those wiring pins that I needed. And he hit me up on Facebook, says, hey, I got those pins, come get them. They cost me like $3-4 bucks. And now Cody is helping me get the car properly soldered and done right. He doesn't know it yet, but he's going to help me rewire this whole car when the time comes. Because I got noise in the harness. We can't make any more power because of it. Alright, so after we put the car together last night, I go to test drive it with Cody sitting in the car, and one thing led to another. He convinced me to do some donuts, which was sick. But after that, we fixed the issue, the wiring issue, no problem. But after that, I started getting a weird noise in my drivetrain, especially when I turned left, like a hard left. So I drove the car home. I stopped recording, obviously, after we put those wires together, and we kind of ran out of time, so it was just kind of button this up and get going. So driving home, I heard the noise, so I kind of just didn't really drive it too aggressively home. And I got to the girlfriend's house, and it was late at night, so first thing this morning, I got up early, and I jacked the car up, got under the car, and this is what I found.
So this is my drive shaft, this is my drift motion adapter, and this is the transmission. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but before I had smoothed this down because I thought this was rubbing on my shifter, but it's scratched up again, so it's not smooth like I left it. So this is still rubbing up on the shifter up top. So there's no way you'll be able to see it, I think. Actually, you can see it. You see right here? So right now, there's room, and it's not really rubbing too much, but when I get into torque and I start making some power, especially at speed, the flex in, I don't know what the deal is, but that's when it starts vibrating, when I'm going like 60 to 75 miles an hour. I've also noticed that you can see here how it's been rubbing. Well, I moved back to the diff part of the drive shaft, and I think I found the problem. Check this out. You see where the top of the trans tunnel is all scraped up? That's got to be where I'm rubbing. So again, I think this right here adapter is the issue, or actually it may not be. To be honest, I really need to take the drive shaft off so I can have a better look. But right now I'm not at my house, I'm at the girlfriend's house. I don't have any tools here, but she got a jack, so I'm not going to worry about this today. I think I'm going to take the car home, take the drive shaft off, and then start worrying about it. But that's the update on the turbo car. Another day, another problem.
So I drove the car anyway. It was at the girlfriend's house. None of my tools are there, and it's not going to be a quick fix. I don't have any parts or anything. So I limped it home, got it to the new house, which, here's an update. We got rid of the popcorn ceiling. I sprayed texture 2 days ago. I sprayed paint yesterday. The ceilings are officially done. Just got some touch-up paint stuff to fix here and there. The wood floor has been pulled up. The carpet has been pulled out of the closets. We got the carpet going, started in here. And all the vinyl here, the linoleum, is what is going to be the holdup, and it's not coming off easy at all. It does not want to cooperate. As you guys can see, there's like all sorts of glue and fibrous material laying over, and it's Friday. The tile guy's coming in on Monday to lay tile everywhere over here, so this linoleum needs to come up. So I hit up the homies. I'm like, hey, I need help. I need all the slave labor I can get. So I'm gonna go pick up my buddy Austin. You guys have seen him before. He's got the white Celica, the 76, the old school one, and then a couple other buddies gonna come in after work and stuff. So we're probably gonna be working late into the night, getting some beers and getting some snacks and some food. But I googled the best way to remove linoleum flooring, and it's gonna get lit today. What's up?
How's it going, man?
Good. Look at you.
Good?
You look fucking ready to go.
Yeah.
All right, let's do some shit today.
Cool.
All right, so we hit Harbor Freight and we got the necessary scrapers and extra blades and the secret touch. Hopefully this propane will get that vinyl hot enough for us to be able to scrape it off. And you know, we got some brews for the boys. Since we're not doing race car and chill, we're doing home improvement and chill. We're making sure to bring the chill. Austin is scoring the vinyl right now for us to pull it out. We just got, I took all the light fixtures off, so it's super dark in here, but all the carpet is out of all the rooms, all the baseboards, all the nail strips, everything has been swept, and it's ready to go. Ready to put wood in the rooms. And hopefully in a couple hours, we'll be ready to fucking put some tile on this linoleum. So I'm sitting there getting the shot ready, placing the camera in the right spot, and then I see that the hose that I'm about to use on this torch has a little black spot here, like it's been melted before. So I'm like, you know what? Let me put all the fires out, and see if this hose has a hole in it. And sure as shit, propane started coming out of this hole. So we almost just blew ourselves up on YouTube. But safety first, kids. Always have a fire extinguisher ready and a smart friend. So after a little hold up, we went to Home Depot and found some adapting hoses. We're gonna fucking send it. There we go. We got half of it done. It's like midnight-ish. We're gonna call it a night. We're gonna come back tomorrow, fucking knock it all out. Thanks to the homies. There's no way I would have been able to scrape all this by myself. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
Someone's tired?